Is your Samsung TV screen looking suspiciously dim, making it a struggle to enjoy your favorite shows? If so, it might be time to tackle a backlight replacement, a repair that can bring your TV back to its former brightness. This is a detailed process, so let's break it down, step by step. First, power down your TV completely and unplug it. Then, carefully lay the TV face down on a soft, clean surface to protect the screen. You'll need to remove all the screws securing the back panel. Keep track of them, as they can vary in size. Once the back panel is off, you'll see the internal components. Now, we need to access the lead strips. This usually involves removing additional metal shielding and carefully detaching the main circuit boards. Be gentle, as these parts are delicate and interconnected. Locate the lead strips, which are typically long, thin boards with multiple leads. You'll need to carefully disconnect them from their power sources and mounting. Sometimes they're held in place with adhesive or small clips. Take a clear picture or note of how they're routed before you remove them. With the old strips removed, it's time to install the new ones. Ensure the new strips match your TV model exactly. Peel off the protective backing from the adhesive on the new strips and meticulously align them into their original positions, pressing gently to secure. Reconnect the power cables and any other necessary connectors for the new laid strips. Then, carefully reassemble the internal components, making sure all boards and shielding are back in their correct places. Double-check all connections. Finally, reattach the back panel and the screws you removed earlier. Once everything is secured, plug your TV back in and power it up. With a bit of careful work, you should now have a brighter, more vibrant picture. Remember, this is a delicate procedure, and if you're not comfortable working with electronics, it's always best to consult a professional technician.